first of all you need to create a new composition. Select composition, new composition, and you can make sure you select these settings, and then create a new solid by Ctrl Y, and make sure you rename this as a BG, and pre-comp this by right clicking, and this is your background holder, and move all attributes. OK, and then create a new text, and type in logo, make sure you select pen behind tool and move the anchor point to the center of the text, and select and press V, and also pre-compose the logo, and this is your logo and text holder. Move all attributes and hit OK. Just double click on the logo and text holder. You can see here I have a logo. So before I'm creating my 3D depth map, import footages to images. So subscribe button here, scale it a little bit, press S for scale, and also the YouTube here, import and switch the eye, scale a little bit, and then select your comp on. So as you can see, it is showing to make a 3D logo and text holder, and select and press P for the position of the logo and text. Right now in the transform property, and alt click on the position on the stopwatch, so this appears. So type in bracket position bracket 0 bracket comma position bracket 1 bracket close comma index and bracket close, and click anywhere. So the expression added, no error. You can see by now you can duplicate this, so you can achieve the 3D. But first I'm creating adding an effect, curves. Right click, effect, color correction and curves, and just make it dark like this. With more. As you can see, if I switch my FX on, so you can check it, and Ctrl D for duplicate multiple times, so you can achieve the extrusion of your logo. I'm making 20 copies, label color of background is blue, and the front of logo index is green, and the other is gray. And if you and the first of your logo and text holder should be curves of default level, and create a new camera. So now you achieved your 3D. If you rotate, select the camera tool and rotate, you can see we have a nice cool extrude logo. And select your not a first logo and text holder. Just select and Control D for more extrusion. As you can see, we have more extrusion. So if I Control Z, it will back to its undo position. Need a little bit of extrusion level. So I have now 24. Let's select the camera and reset properties of the camera, so it will position its default value, and also switch off the shy option. Here's the shy option, and then select and hide all the layers. Then select your logo and text holder for any changes. So I'm just rotating this and switching the other logo. As you can see, it's called procedural. It automatically updates here and switches. So as you can see, we have a nice 3D subscribe button, and make sure also you subscribe our channel, and select the camera tool and rotate. So you can see we have a nice 3D extruded button, and also you can play with the text. If you need more extrusion, go to the comp 1 and duplicate the not first logo and text holder, just the other one. So you can achieve the nice. Reset the position of the camera. So I'm selecting my subscribe button for creating animation, simple animation. As you can see, the start of the video. Now select a project and import a new logo here. Switch on the subscribe button. I'm animating my logo and press the shy switch and duplicate the second logo and text holder layer by pressing Ctrl D simultaneously. I select my camera tool. So you can see I have a nice cool 3D extrude option. So animation, I choose reset my camera and select the transform property and click point of interest and position, and make a keyframes here and drag it here about to 7 seconds, and also press C and again C for rotation and C for zoom in, zoom out, and now animate it like this. and as you can see, if we RAM preview this, we have this cool animation. It's look good, perfect, very nice. As you can see, I select my resolution 3rd, so the logo has no full resolution because it's in this animation we using the multiple of layers, so the rendering and preview process will be very slow. So add another keyframe from end for a nice rotation here, and something like this, and so now you're ready. And if you need the project file of this tutorial, download it from the link in the description.